We look in this video about Audi RSQ8. Here are 6 PIONT about Audi RSQ8. Point number 1. The 2022 Audi RSQ8 is one of just 2 Audi SUVs to wear the wanted RS badge, the RSQ3 being the other. It sits at the very top of the Q8 tree, above the twin-turbo diesel V8 SQ8. That makes the RSQ8 Audi's most expensive SUV. Kudos to Audi's designers for avoiding going down the same path as BMW and Mercedes-Benz. Audi's Q3 Sportback and Q5 Sportback are more attractive than their hunchbacked German rivals, but they still closely resemble the Q3 and Q5 wagons. The Q8, however, doesn't merely look like a sleeker Q7. Point number 2. There's not a bad line on the RSQ8, with an overall silhouette reminiscent of its cousin, the Lamborghini Uru. While Audi designs can sometimes be overly conservative bordering on bland, the RSQ8 looks fantastic with crisp, angular lines, subtly bulging hips, and a snazzy full-width lighting element down back. Point number 3. In my eyes, it's more attractive than a BMW X6 and a damn sight better looking than the awkward Mercedes-Benz GLE Coupe. In RSQ8 guys, it's further enhanced with enormous, concept car-sized 23-inch alloy wheels that somehow avoid looking ridiculous. Question: how much does the Audi RSQ8 cost? Answer: the RSQ8 is priced at $213,900 before on-road costs. It's actually slightly cheaper than the 6 rupees Avant, $221,400, and the 7 rupees Sportback, $229,400. Point number 4. There's no SUV tax here then, more like an SUV rebate. That said, there are few other Audis more expensive than this. Only the S8 and discontinued R8 cost more, while there are no other Audi SUVs with higher price tags. Point number 5. The RSQ8 undercuts the X6M competition $218,900 and GLE 63S Coupe $243,400. It's also considerably cheaper than the less powerful Porsche Cayenne Turbo Coupe, which is priced at $262,200 plus on roads. You'd buy an RSQ8 because you want the ultimate Audi SUV, or because you're cross-shopping this with the likes of the BMW X6M competition and Mercedes-AMG GLE 63. Point number 6. Question: is the Audi RSQ8 safe? Answer: the RSQ8, like the SQ8, doesn't technically have a rating from ANCAP. The Q8 upon which they're based, however, boast a 5-star rating based on testing conducted in 2018. The Q8 scored 93% for adult occupant protection, 88% for child occupants, 71% for vulnerable road users, and 75% for safety assist. Standard safety equipment includes App City, Interurban, Vulnerable Road User with Junction Assist, Blind Spot Monitoring, Lane Keep Assist, Rear Cross Traffic Alert, Safe Exit Warning, Surround View Cameras, Front and Rear Parking Sensors, Adaptive Cruise Control with Stop, Go Front, Side and Curtain Airbags.